Challenges? Yeah, there was plenty of challenges at the beginning.
It's been a crazy process. My name's Todd Inglesby. I'm the president of the Professional Firefighters of Nevada.
My name is Angelo Aragon. At the time of the passing of the bill for the Firefighter Memorial, I was the president of the Professional Firefighters of Nevada.
To the families, this memorial is about them. This is about their family member who gave the ultimate sacrifice. This to me is so, for generations to come, their family can know and have a place where they can come and pay their respects or learn about what their father or mother or grandfather or brother did. Really memorialize the sacrifice that he made for our state. I think that's the most important thing that this memorial does, and that's the most important thing that we want it to do. And again, it's not about us who are here now, it's about
family and friends of that individual. I think that's one of the huge things it can do, and we will always remember those people.
It's been a long journey. Fundraising money.
Firefighters are not fundraisers, so we had to overcome the challenge of, all right, how are we going to begin to raise some money?
We had to raise over $1 million, or right at $1 million, to get this thing finalized. Southwest Gas to IBEW to Nevada Energy to the Inglestead Foundation. I mean, this really took a community or a state to build.
Hundreds of people that came together to get this project done. It was a group effort by firefighters across the state, by our community partners, by investors, people that wanted to see this project to its completion. There's so many people that you can thank for a project of this size. It's just amazing how many people that had involvement in it. One of the pieces that was a challenge for us was to first of all find a sculptor that could provide us with the pieces to place on the memorial. So I began looking for those things. I had it narrowed down to about 2 or 3 individuals, so I started doing a little research on them. The person that we leaned most broadly towards was an individual that at the time we had no idea that he was a firefighter in the state of Colorado. His name was Austin Weichel. He's from southern Colorado. For him to be a firefighter, and for him, in my opinion, to be the premier sculptor in the country for objects like this, I think it was a God-given gift that he happened to be a firefighter. So he shared the same passion that all of us did on the board, and he understands what the memorial is for and what's it about, and his pieces are incredible.
I think one of the top things about the importance of us getting this memorial on the grounds where it is, right next to the legislative building. Obviously, we fight for our members as the Professional Firefighters of Nevada to make sure that our members are not only protected now, but are protected in the future, and if something happens to them, that their family members are protected. And having it here where we do these things every 2 years, I think it's important, because we're increasing cancer coverage, we're increasing, we got PTSD coverage for our members. We're getting things that have long-lasting positive effects for our membership, not only for our members currently, but our future members. And I think this helps bring attention to what we're doing up here and what we're doing when we're coming up here every session and fighting for all our members and our rights and our benefits.